take back control, and show them who you really are. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's all about empowerment and transformation. Have you ever felt like you've lost control of your life, or like others don't see the real you? Well, it's time to change that. In this video, we're going to explore how to take back control and show the world who you really are. So, if you're ready to reclaim your power and live authentically, keep watching. Picture this. You're living a life that's driven by your true desires and passions. You're no longer swayed by others' opinions or trapped by past mistakes. Instead, you're confidently showing the world your talents, your abilities, your capacity, and your true self. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what we're aiming for today. We're going to break down the steps to regain control, overcome self-doubt, and unleash your authentic self. Whether you're dealing with a challenging situation, trying to rediscover yourself, or just want to feel more empowered, this video is for you. So, how do you start this journey of taking back control and revealing your true selves? Well, let's dive into the essential steps. First, recognize what's holding you back. Is it fear of judgment, past failures, or societal expectations? Identify these barriers and consciously decide to let them go. It might be helpful to write them down and then symbolically release them, perhaps by tearing up the paper or setting it aside. Next, set clear intentions for who you want to be and what you want to achieve. This is about aligning your actions with your core values and passions. Create a vision board, set specific goals, and remind yourself daily of your intentions. Then, take empowered action. This means stepping out of your comfort zone and making decisions that reflect your true self. Surround yourself with supportive people, practice self-compassion, and stay committed to your growth. You see, you're not the person you once were, and that's okay. Mistakes and past regrets don't define you because you're constantly evolving. It's time to leave the past behind, embrace a new direction, and keep moving forward. Remember, your past doesn't dictate your future. Each day is a chance for a fresh start. You're not where you were last year, and you're not who you were last night. So keep striving to improve, one day at a time. Many people dream of a complete transformation, but it's not a one-time switch. Every day, you'll face old habits and tendencies trying to resurface. It's a daily struggle to choose to be better. Sometimes you'll falter, but the key is to bounce back and keep pushing forward. When you stop trying, that's when you get stuck in a cycle and never progress. Pursuing success means taking a path less traveled, often feeling lonely, and facing rejection and negativity. Understand that greatness comes with challenges. Think of your journey as building an asset, the person you're becoming. Your efforts, even through tough times, will shape the story you'll someday tell. Don't let others set limitations for you. Test your boundaries and find your true potential. Most of us have untapped potential within, locked away by fear or lack of willpower. It's time to unlock your determination, courage, and heart. Consistency is key, but it doesn't mean perfection. It's about getting back on track after setbacks and not quitting when things get tough. Falling off is part of the process. What matters is staying committed and moving forward. Talent comes from persistence and practice. Always strive to outwork your potential. Growth happens in stages, and expecting immediate perfection is unrealistic. Embrace challenges and stay open to everything life throws at you. Accepting what comes and letting go of what leaves is part of the journey. You're exactly where you need to be, even if it feels confusing or frustrating. Trust that everything is working behind the scenes for your benefit. Stay open to opportunities, let go of specific outcomes, and stay grounded. Everything will unfold as it should. Remember, taking back control of your life and showing the world who you really are is a journey, not a destination. It requires courage, patience, and persistence. But trust me, it's worth it. By living authentically, you'll not only feel more fulfilled, but you'll also inspire others to do the same. Thank you so much for joining me today on this empowering journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment below about how you plan to take back control and show the world your true self. Until next time, keep shining and stay true to you.